Yo guys, have you ever seen one of those fancy OBD2 scanners online before super cheap? I mean, there's some that cost like $500, $800, or even well over $1,000. And it costs you an annual subscription. But this one right here is only $199, and it says free updates for life. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what I'm really wondering is, can it survive a drop? Oh, can it survive 2 drops? Or how about 3? It wasn't even recording, so here's drop number 4. And number 5. And this is number 6. Let's see if it still works. So far, just some scuffing. I guess it really helps that there's some thick padding on the edges. All of the buttons seem to work. Auto scan, special functions, diagnosis. Well, let's see if this auto scan feature can tell if this is a Honda Prelude. Oh shoot. We got auto scan. Let's go. 8 seconds later. What? Failed to read state. Let's try it again. 68 seconds later. I'm about to go take a restroom break. Oh, okay, it's picking it up on the second try. It looks like there's a lot of pins, so we're gonna put 16-pin connector. We're in America, the US of A. I guess second try is the charm. So we can do automatic scans, but let's see vehicle information. What does it say? It says, you know what? It's not even the tool's fault. My car has a Acura RSX computer in it. So let's try a different car with its original computer inside of it. We got a Honda Civic over there. Let's get to it. Oh! I hear some loose stuff in here. So, car number 2. We're gonna see this auto scan works and we're gonna test it. Oh, 16 pin, USA. Oh, that was fast. Oh shoot. Wow, we're already here at vehicle information. So, let's see if this knows that this is a 2007 Honda Civic 4-door sedan. 2007 Honda Civic. And yeah, sure, that's my VIN number. Okay, so I dropped this at least 10 times now, and it seems to work perfectly fine. So let's drop it another 90 times. When you're using a scanner, you'll typically need to plug it into the car with a wired connection. And sometimes you might forget that the tool is on your lap, causing you to drop your precious, fancy, affordable scan tool. So in this first test, I'm gonna be dropping the scanner 30 times from my lap while getting in and out of my car. Whoops, gave that little stomp. Maybe you're thinking that my car is a little too low and that's not really the average drop height. So let's say we're sitting in a chair, right? And you forget you got it on your lap and you just get up. In the second test, I'm dropping the scanner another 30 times, but from an even higher height, which should be about the average seating position if you're sitting in a regular chair or at a desk. And for the third test, maybe you're at the table and you're working on something and whoops! Oh shoot, where did that go? I don't know about you guys, but dropping it from table height 1 or 2 times is pretty nerve-wracking. I'd be surprised if this scanner even turns on anymore. Okay, so that was 3 tests, 30 drops each on top of the 10 drops I did earlier. So 100 drops and it still turns on. Boom, still functional, still pretty responsive. Let's see if the auto scan feature still works and if it'll detect that the Honda Civic is a Honda Civic. There we go. Second time. Seems to work every time. Boom. 16 pin USA. Let's do a vehicle information. There we go. Civic 2007.